How's it going? Today we are going to a river, very special river that I'm not going to be giving the name of, but first got to get some Starbucks.
Hi, can I start you off with something to eat today?
I ended up getting a little spinach wrap too, but first time using waders, going out there by myself, don't got nobody with me, nobody wanted to come, and Isaac couldn't come. 6 a.m. right now, 6:10, so about a 2-hour drive. See you then. I went with the spinach and feta egg white wrap, and it's pretty good. There's my coffee. Not gonna lie, pretty good. Shout out Starbucks. I mean, it was probably frozen and they just whipped it up in the microwave, but either way. Down in this little ravine over here. There's fish all up in these mountains. Just a matter of picking the right creek, the right time, with the right cast, with the right bait. That's what it's all about. It's 12 degrees now. Not 10 or whatever it was before, but it keeps fluctuating a bit from like 12, went up to like 20 for a second. All geared up. This is my first time ever wading in this puppy. It's a little purple, blue, black leaf. I've never waded before. Should be pretty good to just go send it. Oh, I really hope these waders don't rip. I don't really even know what the hell I'm doing. But I bought all the gear. This looks pretty deep over here. I mean, maybe I could catch a little drift real quick, but this is so weird. I'm like afraid to get in the water. I'm not afraid, but you know. See if I can catch a drift right here. You gotta be feeding somewhere. Oh, I already got one. Oh no, I didn't. Holy shit. Well, definitely on the bottom. I need to go find a spot to get in the water. I'm saying that, but I don't know what it is. I'm like scared to step in. Well, I mean, we're in the water. One thing is my feet are kind of cold. Just a little leech slowly making its way through. Nothing to worry about. I think like right here I could just climb right in. I mean, I've already been in the water, but maybe it's just because it's freezing cold. What if like a beaver or something is gonna roll up on me? Oh, there's one right there. No way. Get my net out. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's gonna flop right out of here. Look at this puppy. Hey, come here. Come here, little fella. Smash the leech. Calm down. Calm down. Yep. He's a nice one. Alright, buddy. I'm gonna release you. Beautiful rainbow. Yes! I just weighted a little trout. Wow. There it is. That's what he smashed. Let's keep trekking this river, see if we can get another one to feed. Oh, that was another one. That was another one. They seem to be quite hungry. Oh my God, they are feasting. I just missed 2 fish. This is where me and Isaac should have been. Oh yeah, we're in there. Someone's gonna eat that shit. Just like that, baby. He ate. Oh, this guy's a fighter. This guy's a fighter. Keep the tension. Tire him out a bit. We'll pull him over here with this. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is like quicksand. Oh yeah. It's a pretty rainbow. Yes. Let's see. Give him some water. He's fat. He almost looks pregnant, or she almost looks pregnant. There's another. He's been caught before. Or she. What a pretty fish. Man. You ready, girl? Oh. Dude. I can't even believe it. Just out here catching rainbow after rainbow. Who else wants it? Probably spooked them all out of here. Wow. What an exciting thing going on today. drift. There's one. Yep. Feisty little fella. Look at him darting all around. Oh. Come here, buddy. Don't go down there. Nope, don't go down there. Nope, don't go down there. No! No way he eats it again. He was swimming over into the current. Well, you win some, you lose some. I knew this spot looked money. These are the easy spots because it's all drifting at the same. So yeah, you can mend your line a little, but it's not super necessary. It's all drifting in the same current. There he is. There's another one. Oh, this one feels big. This one feels big. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this guy is fighting hard, dude. Come over here. No. Oh, it's a cutthroat. No, and I lost it. Oh man. That was a beautiful cutthroat. It's hard to land these fish out of this river low key. Well, out of any river, I guess, because the current. Damn it, dude. That's 2 fish missed in one spot. Fly's all covered in moss. He probably ate it out of the moss. This beautiful looking thing. Can't believe it. I haven't lost a single fly. I've just been slaying them. To get a more solid of a hook set. Beautiful. The GoPro died, so I'll try to film whatever I can on here, but it's not going to be the greatest thing ever, so we'll see.